Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we have a very special guest whose name is Rebecca, and we welcome her.
Oh, good evening.
Welcome to us, Rebecca.
Hey.
We are very curious. Who is Rebecca?
In this case, Rebecca, it's me. So my full name is Rebecca de Rosa. I was born the 3rd of February of 1988. I grew up in Benidorm, Spain, but half of my family is from Sweden, so I reckon I feel from both sides.
And what would you say is very special about you?
Special, I love to travel. So when I was 20, I went on a 6 weeks intercity English course to London, and I love it that much that I couldn't resist to stay. So after nearly 3 years, I flew to Mallorca. After Mallorca, I've been in Madrid for a year, and just now I'm planning to go to the Canary Islands.
Okay, you have done a lot of things. And what are your professional experience?
My first job was in a water park called Aqualandia, where I was shop assistant in Benidorm, where I've been also supervisor for a shop called Native World. Later I've been working in London, in Pret a Manger as a waitress, it's a big company. And later I was assistant of the event organizer in a disco called Zubar. In Mallorca, I was animation coordination for the Lively Hotel in Magaluf. And in Madrid, I worked in a shop called La Loca Gato, where I was a cashier girl.
Okay, and what have you been studying? Anything?
I just finished my vocational training in trade and marketing in Madrid, and in London I studied event management course in Kerbel School.
Okay, and what would you say is good about you?
I'm good as a team player, but I think I'm more than capable of working solo.
Okay, and what would you love to do most of all?
I would love to organize a Cannes Film Festival. I would love that.
Okay, we wish you very good luck.
Thanks.
Thanks for coming to us tonight.